that, we want to make sure we click on new video right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to select my project file, click on add. Having had your project file, so I'm going to delete some parts, select on the video in the timeline, click on split. The next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I select the beginning of the video, click on delete right here. Then I'm still going to delete some parts, okay, from the video right here. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure I select on this part. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on split right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on trash bin right here to delete. The next thing I'm going to do right here is to go ahead and crop this video. So for that, I'm going to slide in this way until I get to crop right here. So click on crop. Then I'm going to crop to 1:1 size, and I'm going to adjust the video right here. I'm still going to adjust. Then click on this check mark right here, just like so. Next thing I'm going to do right here is to go ahead and add overlay. So for that, we want to make sure that nothing was selected, and then we want to simply click on overlay right here. Then we can go ahead and click on add overlay. Then we want to make sure we select the same project file, click on add. The next thing we want to do right here is to make sure we adjust and crop the video size based on the original. So I'm going to split, select the beginning of the video, delete. So I'm going to select this one right here and drag until it fits in the beginning of the video in the timeline. Next thing I'm going to do is to drag right here again, select the video clip, split, and delete, just like so. Next thing we want to do here is to work on the overlay right here. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and select the overlay in the timeline, then drag this way, and drag this way, drag until I get to crop. So once I click on crop, I'm going to crop to the same size. Then I'm going to adjust the video right here. I'll drag a little bit just to make sure everything looks same. Click on OK, just like so. So we have everything the same length, the same size, and the same shape right here. So what we want to do now is to see how we can add our border to this video. So for that, we want to make sure we come down below right here. So we have to make sure we drag this way on the overlay timeline. Then we make sure we look for replace right here. So go ahead and click on replace. Then we want to make sure we come to library. Then we click on here and we search for border. Border and click on search. And the next thing we want to do is to select any border of our choice right here. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use this border right here. Let's see the preview. So I'm going to hit on confirm. Just like so, you can see the border has been successfully added right here. Okay, next thing I'm going to do here is to add another overlay of the same video. So for that, I'm going to make sure nothing was selected, and then we want to make sure we click on add overlay. Then we want to make sure we select the video clip and click on add. And then we want to make sure we cut some part from the video, split, select on the video, and then delete. That the part you want to delete. Click on hold down and drag the video in the timeline until it fits in with the size of the video right here, just like so. And the next thing I'm going to do is to select the video in the timeline right here, dragging all over. I need to drag until it fits in the beginning of the video in the timeline right here. Next thing we want to do is to click on the video now. We want to make sure we adjust the shape of the video. However, we can crop the video and do a proper adjustment. So the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and slide this way. We continue to slide and hit on crop. So having hit on crop, we want to make sure that we crop and adjust the video. Just adjust the video based on the size we want and hit on OK. Boom. So we have everything right here. So here we can easily adjust the video fit in the frame right here. Okay, so we can just like so. Lastly, we can go ahead and make sure we cut some part, then click on the split right here. So split the overlay, select the part you want to delete and hit on delete. So we have it right here. Next thing we want to do is to select the first original project file, delete. We don't need that again. So we want to make sure we perfect this frame and the video. So for that, we want to make sure we select on the video overlay in the timeline. We drag in the bottom right here. We continue to drag until we get to mask. So go ahead and click on mask. So having clicked on mask, go ahead and make sure you choose having clicked on mask, go ahead and slide this way. And then you want to make sure you select rectangle mask, then adjust the mask from the shape right here until you are satisfied with the results. So once you are satisfied, go ahead and click on this check mark right here. Now let's play the video. And you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.